All right, now, wonderful people, now welcome back. Yeah, we'll talk about social media and how a lot of fans, no one takes chill pill on top social media. They just they attack like say tomorrow, not they. You be they talk something?
Yes, I mean, they talk about one actress where I actually see meet recently, and they talk about this whole social media thing. And they try and let me understand. So when she actually come into limelight, into fame, say majority of people where they lash out, people where they around her own friends, her own family. And you know, say you get as person go write something for on top social media.
You know the person
you go,
as
in, they go write one line, maybe say you go no say oh, now this now so now Queen B I tell this thing. So you go no say about Queen B or now we I tell this thing. So now we know about this. So you don't automatically know say now we now impose this thing. And say at that point in time when you read them that the only thing we go come your mind now I don't lose another friend, because at that point, you know, so you need to cut that person off from you.
Totally.
Because a lot of these people, they do say, okay, when you go give blogs, then they pay them for the information, then they pay them for the gist. So if your friend feels, it be like Judas and Jesus. If your friend feels sell you out because of gist, then you know, so that person will be your friend at the end of the day.
I tell you.
But social media, they need to take a chill. They
No, but still, I made them pass the bill,
Fans
reduce the no money, no bill, but you must serve the jail term.
But you know,
I just
very
feel
easy.
I
My darling,
support them.
until we get to a point in Nigeria where we take
But the
bills,
problem is
where
we don't get prison.
where we take laws into consideration.
They get
then,
prison to contain
because we have lots.
Now, one thing for them to pass the bill. Now, another thing for them to enforce them.
We have lots of them. How many are being enforced? Now they say. How many? I mean, let's not talk about the social media bill. Let's just wait and see the outcome of that bill. But for me, I actually feel say time don't reach where people need to actually respect celebrities. Yes, I understand. Say the platform,
celebrate anybody.
Anybody.
Respect.
I understand. Say the platform don't they there for you to actually interact with people where you know on a normal day you not feel interact with. We don't hear of the model for Obodo Ibo we actually kill ourselves because somebody for Twitter insult her. You understand? It's just like Nigeria, we get our blood tick where we say insult not actually enter us. That's
okay, I'll tell you one about Selena Gomez, right? Yeah, the estranged girlfriend of Justin Bieber. She posts picture of her dad and her mom for social. Now Selena Gomez, I hope I know they mix them up. Or Ariana Grande post picture of her parents. Post picture and somebody say to her, "If now me be you, these two people now produce me, I go they ashamed." Oh. Now she said, okay, thank you, my fan. To those songs where you they listen to for your earpiece and when you they walk out or you they do whatever, these two people now make them come to reality. Good answer.
Oh, you know what?
You want the boy
now,
out of 100, how many if you answer?
That thing will happen now boils down to waiting that they talk about our Nigerian celebrities. A lot of our Nigerian celebrities actually get fame before they get the ability to handle fame. Many of them don't know how to handle fame. Yeah. They don't know how to handle public bashing from social media. Of course, you did the limelight, everybody know you. And like I tell Alim Abubakar, not be everybody go like you. So you need to prepare your mind mentally and physically. Say some people will see you. Some people will see you for road, stone you, tomato, say they don't like you. And you don't go do anything about them because now your lot, now waiting you don't sign up for that.
We remember the story of Patience Ozoko where they actually asked
where the woman meet her for markets, they shout.
People, according by what she talks, she said people they actually meet her, they say winch. But it not actually stop her from still acting and still giving us good movies.
May they forget about this seeing
chill.
Us on screen where you go tune into channels, see person face, see person for poster, see person for events. Yeah. We still be real human beings.
All right, you when you're out there, you're going to need to let us know what you think about social media. And now people say they attack another person, apart from being a celebrity on top social media. Now let us know your own opinion. And to Twitter at TokTok or Facebook TokTok-Wazobia TV. Darling, letter from the viewers.
All right, so that moment with me they like because it is very special to me. And they like everything real. It has to be real to be here on TokTok. With these women, no do mistake. All right, today we get one of our Kajado and the story they actually vexed me somehow. But I say I catch the man squeezing left ear. But first, I will tell you what's in the story be. It said, please. My dear TokTok ladies, I beg make una put mouth for this one. One of my friend called me, tell me say her marriage go soon end. And what thing they happen to this marriage? Now because say she wish her ex happy birthday for Facebook. That's her ex-boyfriend. Now she don't marry with 3 kids and the ex now too don't marry. But she just wish him happy birthday for Facebook. The husband see him and the husband say, lie yo, this matter that end for here and him wants divorce. Actually, last week, I actually remember one of my ex-birthday, 4th of December. I did tempted to. This was speaking to me. Do not. Now, hold on. What do you not think, my ladies? But in case you want to check your mouth inside, like you know, say the story go down there on top of Facebook. Go on top of Facebook for Talk Wazobia TV, and may you go there, check your mouth inside, because this talk, you know, go stop for here till we find solution to this one. Whether we go correct the guy memory card or fix their marriage. I beg. No yab them.
Guy memory card?
The guy
the husband.
From
if it be say, you know what, things like this, if it be say the man don't they complain, now that part you talk, if it be say the man don't they complain, say, I don't like the way where they see text message from your ex for your phone.
Ooh.
I don't like the way where you always call your ex. I don't like the way where if you go church tomorrow, I'd always see you and your ex they talk.
I don't like as your ex they like all your pictures on top Facebook.
Thank you, Remy. I don't like how they comment on top your pictures on top Facebook. You have to cut time between you and your ex. Then the woman on birthday, he decided to actually said, she never tell us the kind of message she said. Yeah. Is it just age busy? Or
happy birthday, my darling.
Please say it.
Happy birthday, my darling Lagbaja. Pain me say me and you know end up together.
Hey!
But you know said the love I get for you.
No. Maybe she go right say, happy birthday, dear. I wish you all the good things in life, progress, good health, blah blah blah.
Meanwhile, you know,
and Jess already did there.
And then maybe she can't put I love you.
No,
she not say love. No, wait, you know that's what people they do nowadays. They're not gonna put the love. They'll say, baby, I love you.
Yeah, but you understand.
But you understand.
So you understand. She not actually give us the complete story, because maybe the man don't they complain before, and maybe the kind of message which she even send to this her ex, he actually make the man feel bad. Imagine say you they write happy birthday, dear. He could actually surely make the man feel, okay, so why are you calling him dear?
How many people you don't even they call dear? But I guess some girls where they call everybody dear, like we.
So.
But for me, I feel
like we husband, that's today used to have. Say dear is for everybody.
Oh, we husband go they work more every day.
So that the bullets go they bounce back.
I tell you. But for me, apart from the fact say if it get many things maybe say the woman don't do where she not actually talk for inside the letter. But me, I also feel say the man gets insecurity issues. Okay. Because if, unless saying accumulated issues, but
obviously
just say she wish her ex happy birthday on top Facebook, come on.
But seriously, if you send them inbox without sending on top of in timeline.
But if you send them inbox and the husband can't see them, it will come be like saying they do something for backyard.
Secretly.
Yeah, well, but except the husband get your password to see your
the woman go there very, very foolish if truly she get intentions and then she put them for where her husband feels see. Because for me, if that's something where we say I don't get any hidden intention, I go let you see and then I go explain myself. Now the kind of person where I be, I don't go hide them. Like if I want to go out with my ex, maybe we they go see movie or something, I want to go chop, I go tell you where I they involved with. Say okay, this person is actually my ex and I want to come out to them because I know get intention.
That's now, during dating, not married.
Not married. You can't tell your husband.
I never married now. Where I did now the position where I did, I used to talk. I beg. I know about marriage.
No, we don't say try.
Okay, what if the man don't engage you? You tell and say
I never did engage before. No,
I'm just saying.
I said no.
Okay. For me, I actually go with you.
You are running from it.
No, I understand. Say the woman forget her own wahala. Why she go actually decide to send her ex a message on her Facebook when her husband don't like her. But I like when you talk, say, she gets insecurity problem. The man. Because I don't see a lot of men where be saying nothing they there, but you just imagine them for your head. I know of person now, the wife, she never even portray anything to show, say she they cheat. But if they're quite correct, you say, you are cheating on me.
Let me tell you one thing about those kind of people. A lot of men, when they do that thing, they don't already they cheat on the wife. So that mentality of say, okay, if I do this thing, then if I say this woman, they do to me as well. So a lot of men will go first, even women too. A lot of people will go first accuse you, say, oh, you're cheating on me, or you know they're faithful or anything. Now because on their own part, they too know they're faithful. So they know people wrap their head around the fact, say they know they're faithful. How you as their partner go they faithful?
Insecurity, totally. Now
yes.
But ladies, let's just talk about this. Is it wrong to send your ex when you're married, not dating?
Like
is
now,
it wrong to send your ex a birthday message?
Well, if you're still they're very cordial, me I don't see anything wrong with it.
Yeah, wait now.
The message determines, right?
Betiana,
yes.
Remember, for on top of this show, now we don't still talk about how you want to delete your ex for social media. Say whether it's important to delete them or to leave them. Now, it depends on something. Like what to me, I just feel saying an accumulated one. Maybe you don't comment on every mistake or perfection when the person don't put. So you can't write happy birthday. You can't be part of in girlfriends on a row. But if not just, you don't forget out of the blues, Facebook call update to say now so person birthday because it's still day part of your follower. Oh, happy birthday. And you end them there. If you want to say anything special, call them for phone, end them. But for public, I just feel say the man in friends or in family go see him, so you still they talk to that ex. And again, it depends on how they take break up.
You know what? I don't actually see person wait or say happy birthday, dear. You have been a wonderful friend. Thank you so much. And you are married. But we know it's we need to buy a small break. Now, when we come back after the break, Betiana will take over.
But what if he has been a wonderful friend?
Will they come back?
Can you...
Yeah, what's up? What's happening? My name is Files, aka Files the Bad Guy.
My name is Mike Aremu.
Ladies and gentlemen, they're also calling me the What's Up Guy.
Make una not stop to the watch
Talk
on top
Wazobia TV.
Una not bone this station.
Don't change it. Thank you so much.
Okay, we don't come back, and based on our real life issues, plenty of people don't check them out for inside Facebook. I'm waiting them feel say this issue got to be about. Now from Leko Abiodun, in talk say it's not her fault. So most men don't want to make you get anything to do with your ex again after when you don't marry.
Make you go sit down, insecurity warrior.
Calm down.
How many of your girlfriends in they talk to?
Sister, calm down. She needs to take care of herself too. She needs to take and pet.
Take a chill pill.
So because I don't know you now, I don't know anybody.
Nigerians, take a chill pill.
Michael Lovett, she said, I believe what men hate most is their wife talking to their ex. But that is not enough excuse to divorce his wife. Just talk to God in prayer. Visit God in church. I believe it's only him that can solve this problem. Amazing Ogiamie, he say, make the man back well. Make the woman talk to him or beg. Since the man not like such thing, make she not try him again. Yes. By the way, my ex not in my friend list. Wait till me one day talk.
Good.
Michael Presh, in say, I greet the talk ladies. I don't know the content of the message. If not just happy birthday, LL and P, that na long life and prosperity, nothing bad. Says she marry, no means say she no go get healthy relationship with people, including her ex. Habana. Them no kiss online. But now the man they talk divorce. If it be say the wife use some kind words, except say the man self don't tire for the marriage too. Abi, then we get agreement, say she go close all contact with her ex based on any issues with their past. Agreements na agreement, oh. The best thing to do now to talk to her husband and make him understand, say, him be her landlord and no tenant for the marriage.
Hey,
so if now said the man no they civilized or they too jealous, then she got to take him slowly. Make she no end all connections with her ex for now until the husband. Okay, make she go end all connections with her ex for now until the husband fit control him jealousy and understand her well. If not, the jealousy still fit come up for another man matter. He talk plenty things, but I don't tire to talk about them. Now, Sean Sankida, they say, I beg, oh, this one not funny. Just a comment, happy birthday. That is not a big deal. She should pray and rebuke that spirit in her husband's life. That is what she needs to do.
You see Nigerians?
Oguntoye Itunu Sean say, just make it a matter of prayer. God will surely touch his heart.
Amen.
Now, Simon Mensah, in say, point of order. Shisha is harmful. Queen B.
I beg you.
When you smoke shisha and you and anyone sitting near you, you are breathing in smoke, which releases toxins including carbon monoxide and heavy metals, reducing your body's ability to carry oxygen around in your body. Visit our smoking page to find out more about the effects of shisha.
What do you call it?
Simon Mensah.
Park well.
Make you park near tree.
Yeah, sharp back where my motor no hit you.
But let's just be real on this. You know,
I'm not saying like what I talk when I make my comment. I say Nigerians, it get the ones where they add or I don't see when the person puts concussion inside and I see them, I say wow, no be the intention be this one. But I tell you when I did for essay 3 years, I now it helped me to kill COVID that. So come tell me this and you keep preaching about these things. They sell it in the market, so it's decision. And Solicitor is an adult.
No, I'm talking about Solicitor. I'm talking about chill. All right, take a shake, people. All right, time for wear or throw. Make we just do this fashion items and decide whether make we wear them or make we not wear them.
Throw away,
yeah. Number one picture, please. You like my shoes? Okay. Ladies,
where?
Betiana?
Where?
I would definitely wear the second picture, please.
And I know who I go buy them for. Chika, okay.
Wow, for.
Queen B?
No.
Betiana?
I know who I go buy this one for.
Who?
Ginika.
One of our presenters. Me, definitely, I'm not going to wear this one. The next picture, please. Hey.
I buy this one for Amaka. I promise her. Her wedding anniversary.
No, Amaka like this kind of
She's
shoe.
gonna go on green.
Amaka Mensa.
Yeah, she like this kind of shoe.
Yeah, on green.
Ah.
Next, we get any other
Come
one.
here, yellow gown trouser. Any other picture? All right, that's the
Yellow
one.
picture.
So how many we pick?
Yellow trouser and a green shoe. Wow.
We pick
shall
just
color
one.
the nation.
Just one, yes.
Yeah,
Just the first
shoe.
one.
But you were there. Let us know the one where you actually like. Let's just see the picture again. We could just scroll through the pictures. Now the first one, this one. Now you like. Picture number 1, please. Do you like this? Let us know on top Twitter. Picture number 2. You like this one? Let us know on top Twitter. And picture number 3. Wow, you like this one?
Wow.
Let us know. Just let us know the one where we go throw away. And the one where we go actually keep. Now, time for You Sabi Say, ladies. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right, number 1, You Sabi Say. Now, You Sabi Say all the time where you dey blink in a day equal to 30 minutes. Imagine say I dey blink now 30 minutes. All the time so you dey blink in a day.
In
equal
a day?
to 30 minutes.
Because I don't blink like 6-7 times as I just look you.
So imagine
How
how
many
many.
calculate
30
am?
minutes.
Jesus, scientist. Hey.
They get time.
They get
and they work.
yeah, I get it wrong. Number 2, You sabi say lightning they strike Earth reach 6,000 times every minute.
During rainy season or just like that?
I be won't ask, thank you. Because nobody when rain they fall, we they see lightning.
And now then now, how would they say?
So 6,000 times in
In a minute.
In a minute.
Every minute, yeah.
so as we dey talk now,
6,000 times.
6,000 times lightning don't reach ground. No be thunder, lightning.
Sorry.
Maybe this one.
I don't know. Give me this sound for him.
Lightning no get sound, you get light. You go just see
Okay, sorry. All right, number 3. You sabi say frog not fit swallow with them eye open.
You go have to close
I need to imagine because you know said in their tongue that they use catch insects. So imagine when they swallow thick eba. You need to close your
Don't see
eye.
frog they swallow thick eba.
No, they use
No,
that with human
human being.
example. When you need to
Explain.
swallow thick eba. When that
but
kind,
serious,
that kind
how
of eba where you say they're strong, where you think your eye
They
go
call that
close.
one Eba Igbo.
Oh, feshelu.
Ayakata.
Now what's Yoruba they call them feshelu.
Ayakata.
Don't be the song. Yakata no.
You fall down.
Now the last one. You sabi say you they share your birthday with more than 9 million people. Of course.
course.
Yes, sir. Now only you.
Now you the born that
Only
day.
you attack her.
Only you the born that day. It's just that some people they get opportunity to be baby of the year.
Yeah.
Maybe that day the governor just enter inside one hospital.
I hate that.
I don't know why governor no enter the day where they bomb me.
I know.
I hate them. This is they vex me. Which one be baby of the year?
I like all those
Right,
kind of
yeah.
things because in a like blessing. It be like when I did secondary school.
blessing,
My
yeah.
principal on Valentine's Day, everybody go put their name for inside one box like this for dining hall for 1 week before Val's Day. Everybody go put their name inside. So on that Valentine's Day, they'll
Any
call
name when
assembly.
she pick.
Any name when she picks, they take care of your provisions, your school fees, everything we get to do
Constant
with you
prayer and fasting.
from that Valentine till the next Valentine.
And about the school you go.
Nah, but in school I go.
They go take them from you after now.
What thing I want to take from?
Your
No,
senior?
no. They're not they take. No, in the school I go, they're not they do that take on from you. I go all girls school, number 1, and then the school they knew. I think by the time I entered the school, I'd be 4th set for inside the school.
okay.
So it's still they knew all those kind of madness
You were
never
lucky.
enter by that year.
You were lucky.
Oh, thank you.
You were lucky. Do we have more messages to read before we come
Yes,
up
we
inside
get messages for Inside Twitter. Yes.
Yep, maybe 1 or 2.
Okay, for Inside Twitter, at Kutunix, Inside Talk Kwazwebe, I like the show because you guys, they say the truth. And then at Sheon Olutoye, in Talk, say, hi guys, I'm enjoying your program. Have a nice day.
Now, thank you so much to all those who actually send us message on top Twitter. Now, don't forget, say now, you can watch us live and direct on top Go TV channel 98. Yes, make sure, say, you go buy your decoder and continue to watch us because
Yes, sir.
we get plenty programs, especially if you miss Talk.
You don't miss some with that.
He go paying you.
From
He
2
go
to
paying you.
3 o'clock, Monday
He go
to
paying you.
Friday, we not adore you.
All right, it's time for us to leave. It's time to say goodbye.
Oh,
So
why?
clap your hands and tap your feet. It's time to say goodbye. Goodbye.
Actually, always it's
To talk not be bad thing, but make you know what they talk about.
We love you. We love you. On Tuesday, Pra.
Yes. Not bad.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.
As we dey carry